Hey, hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I think I'm going to be doing my first ever shoe haul on my channel, which is kind of shocking that I've never done a shoe haul before, but hey, better late than never. I was sent a huge PR box by Cuccoo. The shoes I received are very cute and comfortable, perfect for the autumn and winter weather. So I'm super excited to show you guys the packaging, the shoes, and everything. This video is sponsored by Cuccoo. However, all my opinions are honest. But thank you so much, Cuccoo, for sponsoring this video. If you decide to get anything in this haul, it'll be linked down below. And also I have a coupon code for you guys, which will be on the screen so you can save some money off your order. Yeah, I think that's all. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below anything, and subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get right into this haul. So I'll just insert clips of me unboxing it. So with the box, I just removed the screen, and inside the box, there was a letter from Cuccoo. So I'm going to read it for you guys. It tells you a bit about the Live Soft box. It says, our gift box design is inspired by the visceral feeling you get when you touch, slip on, or even spot something soft. So inside the gift box, it came with a Beyond Knit blanket, 2 plushie stars, 3 little cute plushie clouds, and one of the shoes in the haul. It's so cute and adorable when you lay the blanket with the little plushies and then you place the shoe on top. It creates a nice scene. I have a little letter here that says, hi there, hope you are doing well. We are so excited to introduce to you our latest brand, Cuccoo. The story of Cuccoo all started from a simple question: how can we make everyday footwear for everyone to enjoy? Inspired by possibilities, we hit the ground running, searching for a magical fabric to turn every style you've ever owned or been eyeing into knit shoes. After years of searching, sampling, and testing, we landed on Beyond Knit. Our Beyond Knit that lovingly wraps your feet in a cloud of comfort no matter your shape or size. You know that feeling of relief when you kick off your shoes at the end of the long day? Our soft knit is so comfortable you can experience that same feeling even with your shoes on. That's exciting. Bottom line, we hope you can feel soft, play soft, and live soft with Cuccoo. I flippin' love that. That is such a cute message. So that's all for the unboxing. Let's move right into these shoes. So first shoe, I guess we should talk about it since it was the shoe in the gift box. It's like a blue-gray ankle boots. Holy, let's talk about the heel on these bad boys. The heel is so adorable. It's something I've never really seen before in shoes. The whole diagonal heel look. It's an eye catcher, honestly. And the Beyond Knit material of these boots, holy, they slip on like a glove. They feel super comfortable on. All these shoes, I got them in a European 41, and I'm normally a 9.5 in US shoe size. These fit like a glove, super comfortable on. These boots though, you can easily dress these up, dress them down. I'd probably dress these down with some leggings and just a cute knitted sweater maybe. These boots are for sure going to be a nice fall staple. Okay, now onto these black combat boots. Holy, I love these boots so much. This is probably my favorite shoe in the whole entire haul. When you slip on these boots, they feel like you're slipping on socks. I kid you not. I own a pair of Doc Martens, which I love them. However, they are very heavy and hard to put on. These shoes though, slip on in seconds, and they are so lightweight. You can honestly run a marathon in these, even though I probably wouldn't recommend that. You could if you wanted to, just because they're so light, they're so soft, and so comfortable on the feet. I already wore these boots out. That's why the bottom is kind of dirty. I wore them out when I was having dinner with a friend downtown, and she even complimented me on my boots. Like, once again, these are just that type of boot you can dress it down with just leggings, sweatpants, jeans, or you can dress it up. Overall, favorite shoe in the whole entire haul. If you were to get any of these shoes, this one. for sure. Now onto the running shoes that I got. First one are these. These are a kind of beige, sort of off-white running shoe. These shoes are super lightweight, once again, and they do feel soft. My only little gripe about these is that they don't 100% fit me properly. Like, I can wear them no problem. However, my toes are touching the tip of the shoe inside. I probably wouldn't go running in these shoes. However, these shoes are super cute to wear when you're running errands, probably once again with some leggings. I honestly like live in leggings and sweatpants, so these with sweatpants or leggings and a t-shirt and a flannel or whatnot would just be super cute. Next running shoe though, this one fits me like a dream. These, when I put these shoes on for the first time, I was so shocked. I was like, what are these actual socks? Because they just slip on, they hug the feet so comfortably, and they just look so cute. T-shirts, sweatpants, leggings, sweaters, like there's so many different ways you can rock these shoes, and they come in so many different colors too. Now onto flats. I have these black sling back knitted pointed toe flats. They look cute. They kind of give like grandma vibes, but in a stylish way. However, these ones are slightly too tight, and it's because like the sling doesn't have that much stretch to it. I would honestly maybe style this with one of my knitted skirts. I feel as though that would look super cute since there's a nice knitted pattern on these shoes. A knitted skirt would look cute. I also got those same style shoes, but in a baby blue color. And the thing is, the baby blue ones fit me perfectly. And it's because the sling back has more stretch to it, which is kind of weird because they're both the same size. These blue ones fit me perfectly. The blue color really makes that knitted pattern material of the shoe pop a bit more. I would probably wear this with a more preppy casual outfit with some knitted detailings in it. And for the last and final shoes, we have some heels, which honestly, the knit soft material and heels, it's an amazing combination. I'm not a huge heel person. I don't really like heels because they tend to be painful on the feet and very uncomfortable to wear for a long period of time. However, these shoes fit like a glove, so comfortable. And I think it's not only because of the knitted soft material, but also because of the heel itself. It's not your typical skinny stiletto. It goes from skinny and then at the bottom flare out into a thicker base heel, which just gives you more support when you're walking around, but also adds a super cool look. There's nice cushion in the heel. The strap is super comfortable, gives you nice support, and honestly just looks super classy and almost sexy in a way. I feel as though the little cutout right here adds like a nice peekaboo moment. So how I'd probably style these is either in a classy, dressy, formal sort of way, or even on a date night. Favorite heels so far. These are probably the most comfortable heels I own at the moment. Okay, so those are all the shoes I was sent by Cuccoo. Overall, I really love this beyond knit material in these shoes. Feels super comfortable, looks super stylish. Once again, all the products will be linked down below, and you can use my rewards code to save some money off of your order. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!